Hey guys, today we're drawing an astronaut and my name is Tirag and I'm 5 years old. This is the astronaut right here. We can draw it similar to this. We're gonna draw it like a kind of a cartoon version. Okay, let's start. First step is to draw the upside down U shape, just like that. Now we have to make these a little longer and connect them with a curved line, just like that. And we draw the same line underneath, just like that. We connect it from both sides, just like that. Now we're gonna draw like a U shape here too, just like that, connecting all the way to the bottom. Now let's make a line here. Oh no, just like that. I messed up a little. Just like that. Then we curve line up and another one line like that, just like that. I didn't have space to actually make some more, but let me try to fit it in, just like that. We're gonna make him having like mittens a little, but we're gonna make the mitten into his hand. Just make a line connecting it, like that. And make another line just like that. Just like that. Let me try to fit it and put this back. Then we have to make a line just like that. That's this wrinkle. This wrinkle right there. That's his thumb right there. Now we're making that part I just told you here, just like that. And we just make the whole line like a mitten now, just like that. And I have my astronaut right here. Now let's draw the other two fingers. Let's draw this next finger, just like that. Just like that. Another one. We only have to draw 3. If you want to put more in, you can. And 3 in, just like that. Now just do the same thing on the other side. If you don't have any space to do it, you can put your paper upwards. If you put it upwards, then we have no space on this side. You can do it, and you can just make the arm bent. Making the line just like that. 2 more lines. And I even made one before of these watching a video. Just like that. Now we're making that part that connects right here. Another curved line. Just like that. It looks pretty good. Now let's draw his thumb. We did this. We draw another line this time. Then we curve up and come down. I forgot to do that on this one. And I even want to color them. I'm gonna color it too at the end. This part again. Then how again? Mitten. Just like that. How I made this one. We're gonna do this one. That one. Just like that. Another one. Just like that. And third one. Just like that. Like this. I want it to look pretty good actually. Yeah, that kind of looks. I was trying to make it like open up. It's like kind of semester. It's okay. Draw 2 lines. Just like that. And connect them with the line curving just like that. And the same line underneath. Just like that. Look, that looks pretty good right now. Yeah. You have it like that. I can't believe I made a mistake. That's okay, but oh no! Oh my god! We make a curve just like that, kind of a 7 shape. Even like a kind of C. We have it just like that. Did the same thing on the other side too. Oh, that looks good. Just like that. Now we draw like a rainbow shape between in the middle. Just like that. Now we're gonna curve it just like that. Some wrinkles right there in here. Just like that. Looks good. You make a curve and go like that. Now let's make, when you make the other one, we're gonna make this space boots. Now let's make the space boots. Okay, let's make his space boots now. Make a line coming from here, make it curve just like that for space boots. I don't have actually much space. We just connect it. My god. Another one. Oh, I made it too big. That's okay. We can do a copy of that, just like that. Then we make there 2 lines. He's like, bye, I'm going today. I'm going to space. Like ba 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 ba. There's thing on the other side, 2 lines curving. Astronaut. Hope you like it. And please like and subscribe the video if you're watching today first, and bye.